I'm Andrew and today I'm here to show you how to perform a perfect Maxipro join. First thing, we need to make sure we have the right equipment. Correct PPE, pipe, tube cutter, Maxipro fittings, external deburrer, pencil deburrer, Rovley cleaning pad, marker pen and gauge, correct Maxipro jaw, and approved tooling, either the Rothenberger Compact Twin Turbo or Romax 4000. The first step is to cut the pipe. It's vital that we use a tube cutter and not a hacksaw, as this will give a nice 90-degree cut and ensure that there are no jagged burrs on the pipe. Once we've made our cut, we want to clean the outside of the tube with a Rovley cleaning pad. This will take off any oxidization or dirt and grit that have built up on the tube end. Once we've cleaned the pipe, we deburr the outside of the pipe using an internal-external deburrer. Deburring the inside of the tube should only be done with a pencil deburrer, as this will create large swarf and not small swarf. It is also advisable to point the tube down, as this will allow all the swarf to fall out and not into the system. The next step is to select our fitting. Maxipro fittings are stored in resealable bags. This will ensure that any dust or debris does not enter the fitting. We now insert our tube into our fitting, and this is where we witness mark the fitting. This ensures that any movement throughout installation will be detected prior to making the join. Alternatively, you can use a depth gauge. This will allow you to pre-mark all of your pipe, saving time and money on site. The next step is to select the correct jaw. Today we are using a 1/2 inch jaw on the Romax Compact Twin Turbo. Insert the jaws into the tool, ensuring that the locking pin is all the way home. Squeeze the back of the jaws open and place the fitting in the O-ring bead. Now pull the trigger and the tool will release. Squeeze the jaws open to release the fitting. And there you have it, a perfectly executed Maxipro join.